And this is Harlow's bedroom. And Harlow's bathroom. Pretty nice sized bathroom for a little boater skates. Closets, little mini closets. Tiny little closet, but that's fine. And then her bedroom. Ginormous AC unit. This is the outdoor space, which looks crappy right now, but we're gonna redo. And then our bedroom is right next door. Nice, not a lot bigger. Again, outdoor to the outdoor space. Two nice, big, gigantic closets. Big, I don't know if it's gonna be able to. So two big closets here. And then next door, there's two of the exact same big ones. You can see that. And then through this nice hallway is our bathroom. Which has a lot more space than our current bathroom has. Nice counter space. Nice shower. Nice floors, actually. I didn't notice these floors are pretty. And that's the upstairs.